Imagine you're at an international bazaar filled with exotic items from around the globe. One stall catches your eye. It's unlike any other. Instead of spices or textiles, it's selling digital assets. The vendor, a savvy tech guru, offers you a glimpse into a new world, cryptocurrency. Intrigued, you step closer to learn more about this fascinating new form of money. Welcome, finance and investment enthusiasts, to the world of cryptocurrency. Today, we're diving into the exciting realm of digital money. Buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what cryptocurrency is, how it works, and why it's so important. Meet Mike, a tech-savvy young professional with a curiosity about all things digital. Mike had heard the buzz about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. His friends were talking about their investments, and news articles proclaimed it the future of finance. But for Mike, the whole concept seemed shrouded in mystery. Determined to understand what the fuss was all about, he embarked on a journey to decode cryptocurrency. So, what is cryptocurrency? Simply put, it's a digital or virtual form of money that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, like the US dollar or the euro, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. Imagine a giant, transparent spreadsheet that everyone can see and verify, but no one can alter. That's essentially what blockchain is. Mike found this idea revolutionary, a form of money not tied to banks or borders. Let's break down why cryptocurrency is so important. Decentralization. Cryptocurrencies are not controlled by any government or financial institution. This decentralization offers greater security and freedom. Mike liked the idea of his money being beyond the reach of central authorities. Security. Using cryptographic principles, cryptocurrencies provide a high level of security. Transactions are verified by network nodes through complex algorithms, making it extremely difficult to hack. For Mike, this meant peace of mind. Transparency. Blockchain technology ensures that all transactions are recorded on a public ledger. This transparency reduces fraud and increases trust in the system. Mike appreciated the openness of this system. Accessibility. Cryptocurrencies can be accessed and used by anyone with an internet connection, providing financial services to those without access to traditional banking. Mike saw this as a game-changer for financial inclusion. Potential for high returns. Cryptocurrencies have shown significant growth and potential for high returns on investment. Mike was excited about the possibility of substantial gains. Now, let's dive into how cryptocurrency works. Blockchain technology. At the core of cryptocurrency is blockchain technology. It's a decentralized digital ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Mining. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are created through a process called mining. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, validating transactions, and adding them to the blockchain. In return, they are rewarded with new coins. Wallets. To store and manage cryptocurrencies, you need a digital wallet. Wallets can be software-based, online or on your computer, or hardware-based, physical devices. They store your private keys, which are needed to access your cryptocurrencies. Transactions. Transactions involve sending cryptocurrencies from one wallet to another. Each transaction is verified by network nodes and recorded on the blockchain. Exchanges. Cryptocurrency exchanges are platforms where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Mike decided to dip his toes into the crypto waters with a few simple steps. Research. Mike started by learning about different cryptocurrencies and their use cases. Bitcoin, the pioneer, and Ethereum, known for its smart contracts, caught his interest. Set goals. Mike defined his investment goals. He wanted to diversify his portfolio, learn more about this emerging technology, and potentially earn high returns. Start small. Mike decided to invest a small amount he could afford to lose. He knew the crypto market was volatile and wanted to minimize his risk. Choose a reliable exchange. After researching various exchanges, Mike chose one with a good reputation, strong security measures, and a user-friendly interface. Buy and hold. Mike started by purchasing a small amount of Bitcoin and Ethereum. He adopted a long-term perspective, planning to hold his investments for several years. Here are some tools and tips Mike found useful. Use crypto wallets. Ensure you have a secure wallet to store your cryptocurrencies. Mike opted for a hardware wallet for its enhanced security. Stay informed. The crypto market is fast-paced and ever-changing. Mike subscribed to crypto newsletters, followed influencers on social media, and stayed updated on market trends. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Mike diversified his investments across different cryptocurrencies to spread his risk. Understand the risks. Cryptocurrency investing is highly volatile and can result in significant losses. Mike made sure to only invest money he could afford to lose. Seek professional advice. If unsure, consider consulting a financial advisor familiar with cryptocurrencies. Mike found a crypto-savvy advisor who helped him refine his strategy. Mike's initial investment of $1,000 in Bitcoin and Ethereum grew significantly over a few years. He experienced the market's ups and downs, but his patience and research paid off. Here's a snapshot of his investment. Initial investment, $1,000, $500 in Bitcoin, $500 in Ethereum. Value after 3 years, $3,500, after enduring market volatility and holding through it. Mike's journey wasn't just about the financial gains, it was also about understanding a transformative technology and its potential to change the world of finance. Mike's initial investment of $1,000 in Bitcoin and Ethereum grew significantly over a few years. He experienced the market's ups and downs, but his patience and research paid off. Here's a snapshot of his investment. Initial investment, $1,000, $500 in Bitcoin, $500 in Ethereum. Value after 3 years, $3,500, after enduring market volatility and holding through it. Mike's journey wasn't just about the financial gains, it was also about understanding a transformative technology and its potential to change the world of finance. With a combination of research, patience, and strategic investing, Mike successfully navigated the world of cryptocurrency. He saw his investments grow, learned a great deal about blockchain technology, and became part of an exciting financial revolution. Cryptocurrency, once a mysterious and complex concept, became an accessible and rewarding investment avenue for Mike. His story shows that with the right approach, anyone can explore and benefit from this digital frontier. So, why not take a step into the crypto bazaar and discover what this new world has to offer? Your financial adventure awaits. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of finance and investment. See you in the next video.